to do my whole presentation in email. And I have an accompaniment PowerPoint, so for those of you that are not speakers, should be able to get the content of what I'm saying. Because I love doing the slides for you guys. And if there is a time in the presentation where you don't understand, just let me know and I'll explain and translate. So, wala niyo. Although random na tayo kasi mawi linggo biday ka west dan iskili ako naman kusno dan ang ginagawa mo dyan dan dero tiyot me dan kisko dero ti and ano da maya mo naman kusno at mawi kisko sa ni benga ano majwan sa why da Ogjitan Aglaciera, Isli Olavus, Gated Medwig, Dan Wedgedike, Deducting Gadu Antian, Dandel Ginwadi, Washku Almede, Gilu, Dandeli, Kinam, Injana, Nagadu, Viola, and Siawas, Lemon, Meji, Juan Mukisno, Wally. Look at this snow, I'm imagining and then you are seeing them. Ashkugayan, Nega, we need to talk to you. Elia of Bands of Damage. Lord Magbanes, where do you see? Now, which I didn't plan it, you do cheated, and Elia with us is coming. You look see, had the judgment. Squad in Basse, got Popo, let it be again. Maudum Quantas, and Popo, Napua, or Nastego. Smith, I guess that must done. Delamo is much more about that. They'll take a Mahanigan Wallace is fine. So, Johnny cannot play an egg, but Nega, Luchi, because speaking of Gandalf, Motia last house is funny. The way I'm used to Bell, Ecuador, Bolivia, Chile. Donadia, don't be that last year. Again, my plan going east to them, I'm going in. East Louis. Del Chimukinamas, what made on the moves is funnel. You guy on the mountain, Nadia, Manigo. They need to learn. Rain was so much fun. Come out, day guy. You go on a sailor. Tama say that you let mine go out. I've only one done this to do it to Tito, that don't waiting way now. So this wasn't part of my presentation, I have to just share that, but in my travels and what has brought me to being culturally inclusive on my journey is in my earlier years, I was fortunate enough to travel to South America and live with the Ecuadorian people in Quechua. My initial thoughts when I entered their territory was, oh my God, there's no trees here at all. Those darn Spaniards, they raped the land and took all the trees. And not realizing my knowledge of the Altiplano, no trees grow there in the first place anyways. After finding my knowledge on environmental studies, realizing no trees there in the Altiplanos, it really made me have more of a self-reflection of my own personal journey as an educator and how much more I needed to learn. So that's what I said in English. Now, Johnny Genke, Abijah said, Masuri, I came up. I did needed a policy or procedure. Dwell out and del Hamasia, that's here. Shanego is Mochado, when this one, edit, done to you, without the food and Dango and Walla in Ogas. None of people enough. I've done all with your done this below what is Nego. Original Wilson singing that way Savas and Aglasia. This year, we do the way no house more. Now, never my nega, Mount Way, get up with that and go on, and was here to Dom Des Nego. And they'll tell me this go. I'm sure now when I'm out, you know, it's all like I get lumps of dust, get lucky this stuff. Without this, dead of Nagway, close to walk. South Montreal, that way again. And then we have the Lego, the Maurice with there. So, Udon, Negamo, the champions up there, help make change that way. So, now, just been the way the Negamo, Nego, Bema. We know how to quiz now. Then you know, man, and Negam not done. Little widow, I made him. So, what I have here is a hospital. Spadega, may well unclear. Away in the next morning, even in my way. Way good eyes. Uncle to done. Tell you no, like this could now.
Wait a minute, hospital. Sage, no?
Cedar. Maybe the line so down like that. So, Italian music, John went to do Mom Alsit, Pascal Seed, Delaware, and to do. You walk with the Bema, we died. And then, so no one Bema, until that's one, but yes. So, I don't know. Muli dahil wag nito majuan ako nito go ya ako gusto ako nang tiyan go ay ahene go sa haru ko kanina ang kaya mo utan daw tin mo iya kan sats lian daw ne go blue kan aftian jadi apa gitu ay kupakan nani lapne memadu yes Ispinen, de lottes kesko parama dispoji. Nadia na mausimu to bema dun to kesko. Eda when it moi waram del masafat. Waram masin. Biswa. So what's on the line then is technology mit ma. Pero gestel when quiz sa ya no tosep. Dan nga chiafla Douglas here with Douglas in here, no people go to in and Delaware, me, regional coordinator, did even no, well, geez, you come on now, hang with you, unless you have been now, muscle to you. So, what I know, that's enough. When you have one, never more done. Study this man, only then, namas mo. Bas ni mo madali ko mau tebi inamas yun mo ya klase ito. Na bas ni kay dalawa Nova Scotia la, mo siya pilwe tuan mo ba na dito lang sa agreeni. Kaya hindi asubok tesi again good. Lagi look na mo ay kung lang ang Gina mawala good kung dahil good knowledge all. So Jacob, he works with us in Mi'kmaq Services as one of the initiatives in our province of increasing programming. I said there's, I think 6 of us right now, Jacob?
5 days. I think 5.
5 that have these roles, and each one plays a different role in their region. This is today specifically I'm going to talk about my region, the Strait Regional. Now, Dumpy Scavo, yes, you go now must go home medical. So, and then more because the money up to man. Salmasam, Nancy, down the way. Easy, and then we got him out of one, Digmanapa, little would know. Medway, Dandeli, Mawado, Dandel, way, Lameda, Iran, when Vida Wistone, Tagain, get away at Indraji, Skafan, get award me down to Pigoki, Meda, Gochi, Naranjo, Pisqua, Dinamas Rowan, Gaskin Navan. Net hello 100 days usually money up get chick no day now but go cheese na do dan gestel lu die jam mau tuwe na dan chi igina when ajin kela mu na but mera kai do hiyo bugo ga yuda akira sina abon masudia mawadu na wan bantu wa de sa du sito dan Dani de la sit quite big is to do, but I'm going to beginning with a now with down when you can have magic in a biscuit. I'll do it, and they'll do what you've done. They'll not hold you just when they are to use the So, they'll be making a Nova Scotia, no day, you should have done, you know, CRP, Cultural Responsive Pedagogy. So, Gail, no to Galway, I'm busy getting Maxi Desco morning, I'll prove to me and I'm done with you. I'm busy Guru Samadu, what we call subsurface culture, right? As the cultural iceberg. And the presentations we provide just touch that part. What we want our educators to know is that there's more beyond the iceberg that we want you to tap into. And that's what our CPR strategy is mainly about in our region. What did you say? I'm not doing okay. So, because subsurface culture, Lewis, get up again, I'm way out to the moon, I've just put out the jig, I've done wiggle to me, I've done way my pot to me. And more, we was really, tell the wet la. Thank you, me down, no chicken arms of the job, I was here. No done, we done the middle, we done mid, the hooks and Lama nature, there's Mujana, when name of most of the right? So Mubispa, Louis, money up to him, Sitami, Gazon, where they all like, I gotta say it. Una dan Lubanum, Elie, Nuja Susideo, and then Ina Matan, Lugina Mada, Lugina Modeo. Gaman, Muam, Galway made it not, Sitami only Leo, micromanager, right? Nega Magic Padam, Mishpadan, Delo, Diegatan, Del Lugie. Nagalo thing mo mouth mera dan nuji wan nuji na mas mo mo nek mo mouth pilu da so tishiga nujari ke kisi lugar ne ga tell me Carlos blanket but school me the name of dan sai mo dan goi del yawa Canada hanu da han dan goi tek to see ga kisi sana do dit no manaki Nakikina Masukti, Nemo, one maybe do it. You do rock, he's been mentioned. Ariel's blanket. He's been mentioned that it. He's been not. Ariel's blanket.
Has anyone been in the Cairo's blanket exercise?
Yeah, okay. So, that's good. I apologize to the ones that aren't seeing the visuals yet, but I'll kind of go through the slides while I keep talking once we get that working. For my speakers, how you doing? You understanding well? How many speakers do I have in here by the way? I should check. Learn. But yeah. Nah.
Translate a little.
Translator over there.
Yeah, a little bit, translate a little bit. Get your weight across. Sorry, that's my Quechi, that's my sister. I had to go make sure she was doing her job right.
Well, I don't need the technology. It's really not good at all. How would you name my name? Let's go to my. Done. Did you get off when they'll pick them up? You'll get you going now, Nah. Jadi yang ke? Anyway, this one, I mean, by the way, Mawano, must have about the way the big man have done, note taking, it was, they go the resource for these workshops, right? So, cultural kit, namin ko din, this idea, is Mawano, done way school, you know, and then this month is okay, to come and did out enough for a class. Now, I'll demonstrate my first one with you. And I'm going to ask, because as a facilitator, okay, I don't want to put anybody on the spot. Who wants to volunteer? Okay, would you, David, would you come and pass out a drum list? Okay, you're being tech person. Okay, so, I'm going to volunteer it, and I'd like all 10 of them to be used, please. So, is it right? Okay. Now, I ask teachers and participants to step out of their comfort zone to learn about drumming. I've done this with my administration and our principals, our teachers, because in order to truly be culturally responsive, you as well have to try and step into that culture. And I know chanting is not for everyone, right? But in order to model this for you, for our children of diverse cultures, you as well need to model it. I have another volunteer. I have another drum. Okay, I'm doing Louise, and I'll go back to the email. So, with our regional staff, I went over, first of all, drumming protocol, because our province gave out drums to every music teacher in the province. And I wanted to ensure that, you know, they felt safe and comfortable being able to own a drum and not feel like they're offending anyone, when they should stand, when they should be used in honor ceremonies. And I assured them just treat it with respect. Normally we cover them, and you can treat them, they react with weather. It's customary to offer sacred medicine if you ask someone to sing a song for you. You could use it personally. You could use it, not who's to say that you can't use your drum. You're meant to be explored with, learned with, and shared with. And like I said, you have to model that for your students. Now, don't you Isigi nama tan do well to tan del glod me the best you do ma han wall. Thank you, ganj no ba ne. Akwai ci da we mu ga ne uko. Judum mana ma pedes no ekedes no. Khod no ka wanda stan space ho je. Inama lo. Inama so te ga. You haya. Mautam ni watch vegetarian mayane, Ningway, Eganamasia. Do Mahamasia, Gula, which you no hold do. Yes, I needed West Gold, the Jigamuna, also. After granted you, the magic school did I need Lewis grade 4 to grade 12. More I don't Lewis 7 to 12. Not in me, I didn't know I'm not careful to she got. Got a ignorant mind, go, you know, when you know, some odd, no. After you that yes, when we are Tabiero, I'm just Tabiero when. Governor. Ona ni kada yo kujua ko mandeji datala mo tabiya ale dandel wado ame ona ale mo pachiki school to del igina ma chikne dandel lo ko yo pisona sa ni we allow touch response to enhance and often emphasize the experience for all our students, right? Because they have an opportunity to touch, feel, smell the medicines, the drums, and you have to imagine what it's like for students that have never ever been around Mi'kmaq people and how rich of an experience it provides for them. So, you just go to the part that's drum.
You've got an amazing fellow there, I'm telling you. Way better than those taking classes.
So the drumming protocol I went through, yeah. I could share this with those that want the PowerPoint later. So this is how I sold it to the schools and to the administrators, just describing how cultural programming will work and how I sold it. Okay. So this is the key to 12 drumming program. This can be shared all the way up to 12, but formatted in different styles as I discussed in the language. So we'll go back to Walt this after. All right, so let's try drumming. Now, I'm going to just first say, can I first borrow your rad I gave out to me? So I asked my students to Hamida, stretch yourself out and make love any nervousness, clear your throat. So normally, follow along with me. Don't hit very hard. Hold on. Button, mom, and you must. I want you to repeat after me. Get Luella. You way higher. You way higher. You way higher. You way higher. Okay, try it again. Okay, without the drum, stop drumming. Let me first ask you to say. You way higher, you way higher. You way higher, you way higher. You way higher, you way higher. Way higher, hi-yo, way higher, hey-yo. You way higher, way higher. And you guys are a great crowd, experienced crowd. So, in doing that, now I'm just going to go through the presentation. We have enough time. I'm just going to get probably 3 people to do it. So when I point to you, I'm going to ask you to lead one, and then we follow it. And this is how we demonstrate it in school, and then we go over other songs, which I won't have time to. But I'm just going to show you how we do that. This one has a group, so. Okay, I'll start, and you follow. You way higher, you way higher. You way higher, you way higher. Way higher, hi-yo, way higher, hey-yo. You way higher, way higher, You can have the drums on this. So, and I'll show them that song, and then we upbeat the drum in a different tone. Go dragging on way. Wabagat Gij. Wapat Moji Nemo. Participatory. Nemo Jigmana. I'm this way me to Jigman. So I won't do the whole thing, but well, what's in my time? So in doing Jigman, usually I'm sure now when you know how to get I've got to make that all good. Then you have a YouTube, away, make my own with that. Now, they'll dare this, I was with so. Now, what we got cheese and test, maybe just what cheese, what we got cheese and test, maybe just what cheese. Go to one now, go to one now, get to one now, get to one now. So, next more, I was so, I'll stay my arm, I'll do what I've moved you. How to do? I'll stay me on the song, get let me do it on WGN. I'll stay me on. Kipu wait WGN, Mr. School Kipu. Away me get to Laham, George Paul WGN. Allah Bakto, which would you magic, Roman, up a school and Butler like Danny Sad and Mavidai. So, what would you speak out on Negan to Lina when La? I'll get him, Jim out to you down. You got that days, you go get smart. Okay, so this is cedar that I pass out. I want students to see and smell, and they get to see and touch smudge bowl and sage and different medicines. They love this part, all grades, even the primaries, bare root. And I pass out this medicine of Maui, which we got when we were out west, which is being incorporated more as a traditional form of tobacco rather than the commercial forms that we've been using. I really love this idea, so I share it. What do you Maui up in Sugu? What's not different, you know, I moved upstage on that deal. Of course, kids find things like this very interesting, intriguing. So I share like arts that we made out of my own bundle that's personal to me, right? So good morning. They grow in a more deeper understanding and appreciation for our medicine bundles and what they mean. So in this workshop, just alone, drumming and chanting, it can go from providing dancing to different songs, medicines, and bundles. That's basically encompass this one. And then jump over to the next one. Dangoy Gilaway. Luddick. It's going to have Ginamo Linola. But Mubugo, when you spoke, Ginamo, Kandel, the Megway, what up the way, Iwe needed Gigamana, Saweki, Uchitandel. Inadu the Hamalu the Dangoy, Naskini, away, so, away, remember, wow, Baste, Mega, we are make to you, Eldway to Amali Dapan, Bundo into Mosquito, but don't you suddenly the Mirage, lie away me that on the Biswado, remember, wow, the Biswado, Nemo, you can imagine, good no. And then we get no hold deal. So, in trying to bring back some of the authentic use of our traditional stuff, I'm trying to introduce the use of ochre back to our children. And in the workshops, I bring in like the actual egg and mix it separated, and we use different tools, bone tools and sticks and stuff. And creating patterns and designs onto rocks, birch bark, or quilt, and children love it, and especially they actually get to take part in the mixing of it. So such a rich experience.
Miranda, what? Can you explain what the root is for?
The bear root?
That's bear root?
Yeah.
Okay.
Over the years, I've used it for anxiety.
Okay.
Calms the nerves. Yeah.
For drinking like in Bidway, you stuff?
I've never drank it. No, it's more ground up and smudged. You ground it up and put it in your smudge.
Okay.
Yeah. grades, right? But you know about it, maybe grade 4 and up. Grade 4s are very capable of doing this, so they're very cautious, you know, when you start this of how to work with your materials, safety, you know. So it's good, man. Well, junior high students made these. Guess I've needed all grades, love this one. It's how I. Did you? Eren mami espedire da sida, which diaga, madam. What me jip joy? You know, you swap to the badiam, double biggest log. It's good. Well, bit a log. I have a 3-foot stuffed moose that I bring into this workshop. And the kids love it. They are amazed by it, and we call him sort of our mascot, Earl the mascot, who belongs to my nephew. And I bring in birch bark moose calls, and I utilize UNI resource, the story of Diam, and then talk about how our experience was Wahama Diam, how you clean it and everything, and I use the Diam as an example. And then I model birch bark calling. And kids, and especially high school kids, they're like, never heard a woman like that called, what was it for? And I gotta step out of your comfort zone, right? So, I'll go like, and like wakes everybody up. Oh, they done with my life. Then I tried with the birch bark cone. And then I ask volunteers, and it's really interesting. And then at the end, we bring in some of the foods. I call it infusing contemporary cultures into our traditional food. So we made moose fajitas for them, which teenagers really like. And the younger ones, moose meatballs, honey garlic moose meatballs, and then wild rice. And I talk about our connection of international trading with wild rice and how it's important to us. And then we bring in guman, blueberries, muskin again. On occasion, big zaya, husbusi, bidoe, cedar tea. Great feedback from these. I couldn't bring in gut on it, they're very rare, but I have at a school before. Okay. A school so because I provide all of this, I remind my educators, right? You're just really getting the top of what society thinks of us and our culture. You need to read deeper to build relationships, right? Because this is what we came out, what you don't with you, why my job's in the first place, okay? So, in doing that, some of the things that I'm proud to say in our region that we recognize because of grants, and partner and networking, every student in this school was gifted a Orange Shirt Day shirt last year because of this grant. And it was really amazing to see the different attitudes in provincial schools with me in regards to that, because they wanted to collect the shirts after the event. And I said, no, those shirts are meant to go home. They're meant for the children to wear and share with families and encourage discussion. So sharing and being hospitable of our culture is a very different thing for my presence in the regional system. Great initiative, and so another thing I wrote in here, which is coming up next month, I'm very excited about. You know, at the end of each year, students are awarded best attendance, awards, highest marks, kind of leaves others out. So I decided to introduce a giveaway. So every student this year at this school will be awarded a personal giveaway from this grant. And so trying to convince administrators and finance of spending a couple $1,000s on stuff to give to students was a challenge, because that's not really something we do in the provincial system. But thanks to the grant, having it documented and approved, I was able to continue that initiative in the region. So I'm really excited, so hopefully I'll be able to share some of that. Yes, yeah, and again, our staff initiated in town some of the things on our regional school board is growing in regards to cultural, being culturally responsive to us, right? Yes, yeah, awesome. Did you edit down the way up? Well, that got me right. You've been done now, don't know sa na liso ya kan out da bigya de ga ha bigyan man project of hard na sa ya get so nakikita ka nila ugjutan ni ne del ginano subject ang way gisapada na majidab nila. This was a very powerful ceremony and the presentation our kids did on Project of Heart was very moving and educational. We even learned stuff about people that in our own community went that we didn't know. So I think when I've done the way up, where our students are from dance and more. This is natives and non-natives working together and presenting together. Yes, you all right? And then how we celebrated National Aboriginal Day last year is we took a picture of all the students in our school behind Mayo Amahadik, school, and we took a round dance picture. So of course, again breaking policy, we go on top of the roof with a big boom box. And my nephew's there with the phone and just breaking safety procedures. So, White Education Center. And of course, I can't forget an initiative that I can't take credit for. Well, Mary, so Wally Mary. This has been hit off on social media, and also other local media has picked it up, and it's shared weekly now, even in Chronicle Herald. In the Orange, Burns Orange. Great job, Mary, and it's all initiated by Grade 9, well the way. So I thought it'd be interesting, of course, you gotta get feedback on your presentations and how you make it better. So I thought this was cool. I won't read all of them. This is from grade 11s that attended traditional quilling. It was a new experience. If these presentations happen, again, you can learn how to speak Mi'kmaq. I would like to know how the moose and the story spoke to them. I found it interesting. She talked about how to field dress a moose. And I don't want to go through all that. We'll keep going here. I'll share those in your email. Now, I want to share this with you because this is so heartwarming to me in regards to, oops, sorry, in regards to how we as educators should think about not only of working together, how we do what we know. Meraran, nigmo MC, so I always remind myself of my role, my destiny, what I do in my life. I always believe that my job and role is to encourage working together, collaborating, and including all human people. Right? Wi-Fi, right? Yeah. So in doing that, I want to ask any questions from you guys. How much it is? Out of 20 schools, 14 have been given this presentation. Very well received. So that's like reaching 1,000 students. Each session costs about $1,500 for a school. And so so some schools can't afford that. And so with a grant that I prepared with help of Mi'kmaq Services, I cost share with schools, so to expand some of the program funds. I cost share because I'll do half and half so that we reach more schools. But some schools have those as priorities in their initiatives, and they have no problem paying the resources for that. Right? Yeah, hotspot. That's what I get.
What do you mean 1,500?
So
What do you provide?
I don't do this myself, all of it, right? I have 4 presenters I work with as a team, and it's really important to have a strong team because you're managing over 100, 120 kids in a group all day, rotating. So I have presenters, right? So I have the presenters' fees, plus I have resource fees, and then think about their travel, plus their luncheons and little gifts. So it's really very limited when you think about 6 people, 1,500, the cost of resources for 100 kids, making 100 meatballs, 100 little cutouts for Birch Bark, preparing all the 100 little quill or packages for the quills. It's a lot of work and it's some people charge for a quill workshop $2,500 alone just for 10 people, right? And for us to do it for 100 kids for $250 per center fee and resources, I gather a lot of my resources so I save on that expense over the year. Like porcupines and gather birch bark and pick sweetgrass, and I use it as my own kind of contribution of the work I do in saving our program funds. But you gotta have a passion for that, right? I'm sure so I feel that's my role, what I've been doing in our region. For those that are from this area, yeah, can you show, I want to show you, region area. So this is the area that I covered in 21 schools, all the way from Pigred and Highlands to Guysborough area to
You guys go outside your region?
yeah, I go outside my region. Yeah, part work, networking. And then, go to slide 5. This one. So I want to show you, this is something new that we're going to be putting up in each school. That's the acknowledgement. Each day our school acknowledges that we're on Mi'kmaq territory. So this is the banner that's going to be up. And I told them to put the petroglyph there because that represents our 7 districts, right? And so much more to that. Not only that, the Wabanaki, the Confederacy, everything that's built into that. So each school gets a story in relation on the district symbol that was found in Keji, right? Okay. Okay, did you guys get it? All right. So I want to end off, I'm going to know, I'm saying, you know, I'm just mal deal. I don't when that's some, how you know, yeah. Can you read that page up for a minute? Because I,
Brenda,
yeah,
who usually teaches the quill work?
Eva.
Eva?
Eva Nicholas, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I have different resource people that do the different themed workshops.
Yeah. Because there's not really much people that do quill work, right? Around here anyway.
So one day session that you guys provide?
So I hear, Smith?
Brenda,
Yeah.
how much discussion or conversation has been on below the iceberg?
Oh my
When we speak of talking about the vision, how much of it are we now talking about below? I know I've been speaking to
On Saturday, I did
our Mi'kmaq academic now in physics, chemistry, biology, engineering, all that stuff. A lot of our artifacts, chemistry. And I think those knowledges and understanding needs to be brought into the schools to demonstrate that we're much more than the top part of the iceberg.
Like, so you get a lot of foxes?
Definitely.
You're gonna walk.
I'm not possible. I just want to answer Jared's questions here. With the incorporation, introduction of a new form of learning, land-based learning, we've been using that to connect with the outcomes of different courses. And it opens the eyes for many of our educators in regards to how metaphysics is related in Mi'kmaq, right? How geology is related in Mi'kmaq, how those outcomes tie together, and they learn a different appreciation for that. So we're just in, I think, the infancy of starting out that kind of curriculum for our region, really. So they're just only recognizing even land-based learning as something that's authentic and that's required and efficient. So we do have a program in Bachankek, which is designed in that. I didn't bring it into the presentation yet because it's just new. I should have mentioned it. It's called Siawasi Alternative Ed Program, and it's built around that concept of land-based learning. So it's, I think, something, a great initiative that we're doing. Okay. on to this. Just gonna pause here, because I want to end off with another, getting back to even what you see here and what Jared said. How do we get below that iceberg, right? So since being there, now, this is only a portion of what I do in our region, because with deeper understanding, we started with like the carriers, to make sure everyone's on page in regards to their history and their knowledge of our history, our shared history. But anytime anything comes up for the region that includes a Mi'kmaq student or First Nation self-identified student, I need to be involved in regards to the consultation, the program planning, or work with the Native support worker within our region as well to advise and to be part of any disciplinary hearings or behavior, or give insight or perspective in regards to maybe something going on within that community that I can provide a better understanding for our non-Native educators. So that, I think that's where we're also changing and growing too, Jared, in building that deeper understanding. Because we have like 500 First Nation kids in our region. We have 7,000 in the province. That's a lot, guys. So we can't forget about our kids in the province. And they're glad on them, and I really encourage that we work together for them. All the good